Go, brother. That's over.
Hello, how you doing? I'm Cameron. What's up? Good to meet you.
Yeah.
What's up, bro?
Nice, man. What are you guys up to?
Drinking, smoking weed.
Oh damn, that's the life.
Chilling, killing, drug dealing.
Yeah. Hey, Cameron, you're from?
I'm from Missouri.
Missouri. Oh,
Yeah.
nice.
You from Delhi?
Yes, born and brought up.
Hell yeah, true native.
Yeah.
Sleepy, so I was like, you can go to sleep, but he was like, no, I wanna power through. And he also wants to do some shopping for Thanksgiving.
Yeah, we
Oh,
need to
of
get
course.
Thanksgiving set up for tomorrow, guys.
Oh,
Happy early Thanksgiving.
that's nice.
Yeah, you
Happy
get some
Thanksgiving. Thanksgiving in India vlog
food.
coming
Yeah, Indian
soon.
Thanksgiving. I'm having Thanksgiving with
Proper
the
Indian
Indians.
Thanksgiving.
I'm a fucking pilgrim.
With the real Indians?
Yeah, with the real Indians.
For all you Americans, this is what real India looks like.
How long are you in India for?
Oh, maybe like 2 months. I'm
Nice,
feeling that.
man.
Yeah,
That's the way to do it.
I knew like
Yeah.
they said the 30-day thing. I'm like no, that's too short. It's too
Yeah.
short.
Truly enjoy the place. Yeah, this is your first time in India?
Yeah.
Oh, lovely.
Much-
How are you finding it so far?
I haven't done much yet.
The third time today.
No, not us.
Even the cops be
We're good guys.
Like the first day, like my first or second day in Thailand, I met him in Bangkok.
Sexy lady, I like your flow. Your body's
How are you finding the traffic around here?
Yeah, bro, tell us about the
Yeah,
traffic.
Cameron?
What?
Does this traffic give you anxiety or that's normal?
No, it's so normal. So normal. Are you kidding me?
But the thing is, he has been to Egypt and Vietnam. Like these places are like similar, right?
Yeah, a
Cameron?
little similar, but I'm saying this is more intense. It's like,
Bro, but like Vietnam, bro, Ho Chi Minh City. Like that place, like so many
You don't
bikes.
know what's coming towards you. It could be a pedestrian, it could be a car, a scooter, a two-wheeler.
it looks
What is up, brother?
shit.
What do you think about this place, bro? First impressions.
Oh man, it's definitely bizarre.
Why?
There's more like street space than sky. It's really tight in here. There's just so many shops, dude.
Yeah. Look at this thing, bro.
What is that?
I don't know, bro. I have no idea. The Muslim guy asking for money.
I guess so. I guess.
What is up, my brother?
What is good here? Everything's good here.
Tell me. And you can buy it right here, bro.
No, they don't have it.
Well, we can buy from up ahead.
Up ahead, okay. Up ahead.
Laughing, nice. You wanna have some laping? It's a Tibetan food, bro.
A Tibetan food? Sure.
Yeah, laping.
Lapin.
Let him get some laping. बना दो आंटी एक laughing for our friend.
They made us in Nepal.
Less spicy. Not Nepal, from Tibet.
Tibet. I'm sorry.
Yeah. Less spicy because he can't handle spice. Bro, look at this, bro. Have you seen something like this before? Probably in Thailand.
Yeah, in Thailand.
So they spin this around.
Oh yeah? Oh, that's different.
So like this whole monastery, there will be like little things to spin around. They'll go around the whole building, spinning those around. Yep.
Hanji.
Got it, bro. I got it.
I got it.
Kitne auntie?
Oh, don't worry about it. Okay.
I got it.
Why are we going back, brother?
Gotta find Thanksgiving shit.
You think you can find Thanksgiving shit in Delhi?
Fuck yeah, dude.
Challenge accepted.
Hell yeah, man.
That's fine. Let's do
Saddle up, pilgrim.
Let's do Thanksgiving India edition.
Thanksgiving in India, this is 2024.
Hell yeah, bro. Like it's too spicy for him. He just needs something to drink. Bro, I'm here to do something.
No, that's not right. Just give him. Kitna?
40. I got it.
No.
It's too kind.
That's a different currency. What currency do you get? That's not Indian currency.
I don't like Turkish.
You know, it's just lime juice, right? Like lime soda.
Yeah.
Bro, these were like the things I was telling you about, this pin.
Oh, neat.
Yeah, they do it across the building. And this like a whole...
Everybody hits them. It's like good blessings and stuff.
Yeah. It's across every Buddhist temple. It's the same.
Okay, I want to do it. 5 times the blessings. All 5 is for
If they all line up, you got a jackpot. Yeah. Which has not
No, they're already off. The 2. Whatever. I don't even want to play anymore.
3/4 of your wish has been accepted.
Last piece, bro. 2 more pieces. Too spicy. It's fucking hard as hell.
Busy off.
Laughing review. 3 out of 5 stars. It's just too spicy, otherwise it's good.
Yeah, that's right.
I think it would be nice if it was a bit warmed up or something. I don't like it cold.
No, they just eat it like that.
Yeah, not a big fan.
I'm expecting low odds for food poisoning, but to be continued.
Why are we waiting here?
I guess
Waiting for the guy to bring
change
back
or something, but I guess
I think we're waiting.
Just
I think we're
$10.
waiting to see how many of these match up. I got 2, and I could go for a 3, and that's still a bonus if you get them in a row. Just gotta wait.
you get another turn if you get.
I have a question. Why are we not drunk if we drank so much? We're not even a little bit drunk.
Yeah, we're doing this too regularly.
Yeah.
I'm sorry that was 1 off.
That guy is not coming back. Let's go.
Easy. There's a step. Yeah, that's a step. There's a step. Hey, the screen turned off, man. Oh, easy. What the hell? This is India. You gotta be more careful.
I'm not watching where I'm going.
Uneven pavements.
There's like a barbecue guy here, which is so good. I hope he's done.
The screen just turned off, man.
Still recording.
Still recording? So Cameron, what do you like about India? Anything, something?
You guys.
Oh man, that's so lovely, man.
But it's super interesting. It's definitely like a wild place. You know?
Yeah, exactly.
Everything's going along.
Anything could go down.
Just going how it goes.
Go with the flow.
Let's go.
So spicy, bro. Give this to me.
Here you go.
You want some boba tea?
Not yet, not yet.
Bro, should we go to that restaurant with the cheap booze?
Sure.
But we already got some
You know,
booze.
there's a saying, Neki and Buju. That means doing a good deed and
You wanna get more hammered?
more hammered.
We're not even
That implies
hammered.
you're hammered.
I'll neither confirm nor deny.
Let's go and drink some cheap vodka, brother. And eat good shit. Bro, Russians love cheap vodka. They don't drink expensive vodka.
There's only what? What you
Dude, gun, you can.
If you get expensive,
Look, you can get 2 guns for money.
that's the name of the shop.
Yeah, gun money.
That's good, my brother.
God bless India.
Welcome to the tourist So we're going to this Indo-Korean restaurant. So they have like fucking Asian food.
It's amazing food.
Pan-Asian food, like East Asian food.
Oh, dude, is this a temple?
Probably. I don't know.
UPI है debit card भी है.
That's what I told you, bro. There's where all the offices for Tibetan government is.
ठीक है.
So it can also be a government office. It can be a temple. Looks like a temple though.
ठीक है.
He was praying. Now it's on his phone. You just gotta get creative when you're in there all day.
Yep.
अच्छा ठीक है मैं ऐसा करता हूँ. हाँ जी.
That's a good
ठीक
buy.
है. 10,000